number 81. Identify the animal. Where can you find this animal? How does it breathe? Who will tell me the answer? Very good. How does it breathe? It breathes with the help of gills. Gills. Yes. Very good, Amira. It breathes. Yes. The fish breathes with the help of gills. Who else will tell the answer? Shashwat, tell me the answer. Where can you find fish and how does it breathe? Streams, ponds, lakes. What else? How does it breathe? Shashwat? With the help of gills. Gills. Fish breathes with the help of gills. Okay? Gills. फिश ब्रीथ एयर प्रेजेंट इन वाटर. जो वाटर एयर में प्रेजेंट होता है उसी को ब्रीथ करती है, बट किसकी हेल्प से? अपने गिल्स की हेल्प से. फिश के पास गिल्स होते हैं, एक हमारे पास लंग्स होता है. वी ब्रीथ विद द हेल्प ऑफ लंग्स. सो फिश भी एयर ब्रीथ करती है, वाटर में ही ब्रीथ करती है, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ गिल्स. अब लोग वी हैव लंग्स, दे हैव गिल्स इन देयर बॉडी. सो गिल्स उनको हेल्प करते हैं ब्रीथ करने में. ओके, दे हेल्प इन ब्रीदिंग. Gills. Okay, now who will tell me the uses of water? Agrim Pratap. Agrim, tell me the uses of water. Five you have to tell. One is already written in book. One you can see it is already written. I used water to brush my teeth. 5 more you have to tell. So tell me any one first. Agrim?
Yes, ma'am.
Use of water. Yes? Water to brush my teeth. I use water to what? Where do you use water, Agrim? Drink. Okay, Alina, you tell me one use of water. I use water to brush my teeth. I use water to drink. Next, Alina. Yes. Yes, Agrima, what happened? Pavki, what happened? Pavki, page number 81, lesson air and water, beta. Page 81. Yes, so see, uses of water is written there. How? Let's explore. देखिए, see the question. Let's explore. You see the question. How do you use water from the time you get up in the morning? मतलब सुबह से लेके रात तक, जब तक आप सो नहीं जाते हो. तो how do you use water for the whole day? So this you have to tell. Beta, this is page 81 you have opened, Pavki, na? This is exercise. Okay? This is not question answer. This is an exercise. Question answers we have done. This is also a question. Okay.
मैम मैं ये कह रही हूँ आप एक्सरसाइज करा रहे हो?
Yes, beta. We are doing the exercise. Page 81. Uses of water. Okay. Pavki.
ओके मैम.
Alina, tell me use of water. Alina. Yes.
वाटर टू
Use water.
वी सी वाटर टू एक बार.
Okay. Next after Alina is Anika.
मैम आपने मुझसे नहीं पूछा.
Wait, Agrima, wait, बेटे. अभी आपका चांस आएगा ना. After Anika, then I will ask Atharv, Osaf, and then Agrima only. Okay, Agrima. Anika,
मैम आपने मुझसे नहीं पूछा.
wait, Sanvi. अभी आपको wait करना होगा. You have to wait for your chance. Atharv Gupta.
यस मैम.
Tell me the use of water. How do you go use water from morning till evening? Where do you use water? Okay. Asaf. Asaf. Agrima.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the uses of water. How do you use water from morning till night?
Okay, ma'am.
चिल्ड्रेन, आप इसको कैसे रिप्लाई करोगे दिस आंसर? आप अपनी एक्टिविटीज को यू विल सी फ्रॉम द मॉर्निंग टिल नाइट.
We water. We need water to do many things. We use water to wash our teeth. We use water to clean your
ओके.
ma'am.
एंड व्हाट एल्स?
I am telling you. We use water to cook food. We use water to apply.
ओके, वेरी गुड. देवजोत. देवजोत.
मैंने फिश को कलर कर लिया.
ओके बेटा, ओके. देवजोत, टेल मी द यूजेस ऑफ वाटर. टेल मी द यूजेस ऑफ वाटर.
Mama, I am done. We use water to drink. We use water to have a bath.
Okay. Then after Devjot is we use water to drink, we use water to bath. Now some other thing, some other use you tell me, another use of water. Izan better tell me another use of water. We use water to drink, we use water to bath, something else. Where do we use water? Yes? We use water to cook food. Very good. Okay. Now we use water to drink, we use water to bath, we use water to cook food. Then Musa, tell me another use. Fourth use of water.
Yes, ma'am.
We water the plant. We use water to water the plants. Very good, Musa.
We use water to clean utensils.
Yes, very good. Naman,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the use of water.
I use water to drink. I use water to have a bath. I use water to wash hands. I use water to plant. We use water to clean the dirty vessels.
Very nice. Very good. Very good. Clap for Naman also and Musa, Myra also. Then next, Pavki Mishra, you tell me the uses of water. बेटे इसमें आप अपने रूटीन को देख सकते हो. When you get up in morning, so morning में आप क्या कर रहे हो? You are brushing your teeth, you are bathing, okay. Then after morning routine, आप water को कैसे use कर रहे हो? You are washing your clothes, you are cleaning the utensils, even you are watering the plants. And what more, you drink the water. So आप इस तरह से routines को देखते हुए what daily routine you are doing and how you are using the water at that time you can tell. Now Pavki, tell me, you also tell me the 5 uses of water. Yes, tell me the uses of water. Pavki? Yes, tell me the uses of water. We use water to brush our teeth. Yes. Very good. This is 6th period going on, beta. 6th period. Okay. After this, there will be 7th period. That will be the last one. Yes, Pavki, tell me the answer. Pavki. Okay, very good. Next after Pavki is Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sanvi, tell me the uses of water.
I brush my teeth.
I use water to brush my teeth. ऐसे बताओ.
I use water to brush my teeth. I use water
To?
wash my hands.
Okay.
I use water to wash clothes.
Yes.
I use water to drink.
Drink.
I use water to drink. Wash dirty utensils.
To clean the utensils. Okay. Clear. Very good. Next is Sara. Sara, tell me the uses of water.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the 5 uses of water.
I use water to brush my teeth. I use water to wash my hands. I use water to washing the clothes. I use water to bath. I use water to cooking.
Very good. Well done.
I use water to cleaning.
For cleaning utensils. Okay. Okay, beta. Shashwat. also tell me the uses of water. 5 uses of water.
I use water to bath. I use water to brush. I use water to hands and wash. I use wash. I use water to drink. I use water to dirty clothes.
To wash the dirty clothes. Very good, very good. Now children, this exercise is clear. Okay, this chapter is also we have revised. In the next class, what we will do? We will revise chapter weather and clothing. Okay, I will ask the difficult words from you and we will do the exercise first and then we will revise question answers.
मैम मुझसे नहीं पूछा.
Athar Gupta, I have asked you, na? Rishit Raj, okay, Rishit. Yes, Rishit. Rishit was left. Yes, Rishit, tell me the 5 uses of water.
Ma'am, I want to know.
Yes?
Ma'am, I want to washroom.
Yes, go to the washroom, Athar. Rishit, tell me 5 uses of water.
I use water to drink.
Hmm.
I use water to bath.
Hmm.
I use water clean utensils.
Hmm.
I use water to water the
Plants.
plants.
And number 5. 5th number. I use water to wash clothes. I use water for cooking. Yes, very good. Okay, now this period is over, children. Take out your moral science books now. Close your science books and take out moral science.